In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal website on Google Sites fast and easy. First, let's head over to Google Sites. You can do this by simply searching Google Sites in your preferred search engine. Once the search results come up, please go ahead and click on the first link. This will take you straight to the Google Sites homepage, where all the magic happens. Now you'll find a plus icon on the homepage. Click on it to open a blank page. This will be the canvas for your new personal website, giving you a fresh start to customize everything according to your preference. Up at the top left corner, you'll notice a spot to name your site. It's a good idea to think about what you want your site to represent. Maybe your name or a catchy title that captures your essence. Just click in the box and type in your desired title. Subsequently, you'll see a large header section at the top of the newly created page. This is where your site title will go, further reinforcing what your website is about. Click on it and feel free to add your own creative touch with a suitable title. As we progress, it's time to think about the structure of your site. On the right menu, you'll notice a Pages tab. Click on it, then click the plus icon, where you'll begin to plan out essential pages for your website. You might want to start with a home page that gives an overview of what your site is about, including a tagline and key services. Next, consider an About Us page, sharing your story, mission, and perhaps introducing any team members if relevant. A Services or Products page can follow, detailing what you offer. Use descriptions and images to make it visually appealing. For social proof, add a Testimonials page, showcasing customer reviews or logos from clients you've worked with. Lastly, don't forget a contact page. This is crucial for engagement, so include a contact form and other relevant details like phone numbers, addresses, and links to social media. Once your pages are set, you might want to add a bit of personal style with different themes. Click on the Theme button to explore a variety of theme colors and text styles. Choose something that resonates with you or your brand's identity and complements the content of your site. Finally, after you've customized everything to your liking, it's time to put your creation live. Simply navigate to the top right corner of the page and click Publish. Google Sites will guide you through setting a URL for your site and any privacy settings you may want to adjust. And there you have it. Your very own personal website created swiftly and efficiently with the easy-to-use tools of Google Sites.